Hello, everyone. This is Steve. As Brian Bush mentioned in previous meetings, there's a correct way to split deals within DealerTrack. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Also, I'll send you the complete instructions from DealerTrack on how to do this, as well as how to combine salesperson analysis and deal analysis for your end of the month reports. So I'm in a deal here. First of all, you're going to add a salesperson to the deal or two salespeople to the deal. I'm going to add Attila and Chuck. Then you can go into the commissions screen and make sure each one of these have Y underneath their name under split and unit. So I'm going to, since Chuck does not, I'm going to type in Chuck's salesperson number and type in SU for split and unit count under function SU. Just to verify that Attila's correctly, I'm going to type in his number, M6 or P69 and SU. Now, split and unit has Y under each salesperson name. Now you can see the commissions are not split here correctly. So some salespeople have minimum numbers or minimum commissions when they were inputted into DealerTrack. So to correct this, you're going to go into Attila, P69. And since his minimum commission is set at 200, you're going to just change that to 100. And now you'll see that the commissions are split. So if the split commission is less than what the minimum is, the minimum will show higher. So you just got to go into each salesperson and make sure that their minimums does not exceed the split commission amount. And as you can see, if you go into each salesperson, the split check mark is here, just to verify that is done as well. So now each salesperson has Y under split and unit, and the commission is split correctly. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.